Samsung is preparing to introduce the Galaxy S21 series next week, and the company has already preparing its website for it. An extensive list of over 900 landing pages was created by prolific leakster EvenBlus. One for each Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, Galaxy S21 Ultra version across memory options 128 gigs, 256 gigs or 512 gigs, and a dozen of color combinations. The list contains 11 different paint jobs, all going under the same name of Phantom, Black, Brown, Gold Grey, Navy, Pink, Red, Silver, Titanium, Violet and White. Odds are, however, Samsung will introduce all the colors of its flagship at once. We might see several options at the announcement on January 14, with the rest being limited to exclusive variants, specific markets and scheduled for later in the year to rekindle the hype for the Galaxy S21 phones. Some market variation will also be present. For example, Samsung Italy will sell the Phantom Grey variant of the Galaxy S21 5G under the name Enterprise Edition. The same goes for the Phantom Black Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The Galaxy S20 Ultra is a little different, with a much bigger camera module with 4 rear cameras, a 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide plus two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras at 3 times and 10 times optical zoom. It also appears as if the 100x space zoom seen on the S20 Ultra will also feature on the S21 Ultra. Space zoom is Samsung's term for the hybrid digital and optical zoom used to reach 100x. The S20 Ultra's main camera looks to have a 108 megapixel sensor, dubbed Gen 2 sensor on the spec sheet. We assume it will use a similar pixel binning method to output 12 megapixel shots, like the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra do with their 108 megapixel sensors. The S21 Ultra also looks to keep the laser autofocus system found on the Note 20 Ultra, opposed to the phase detect autofocus system on the S20 Ultra. EvenBlus on Twitter shared the following infographic that detailed the resolutions and specs of the cameras on the S21 series that appears to corroborate the earlier leaks. We have to keep in mind that all the speculations may not be 100% on point. For the final specs and design, we have to wait till the official release of these devices. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.